Somebody mention birds? Thaibirdspot. Hey there birdies, and welcome back to the channel again, and we have a real treat for you today. This is a Greater Yellownape, or a Greater Yellownape woodpecker. The Greater Yellownape is a brightly coloured, medium-sized woodpecker with a moss green back, a bright yellow nape, and a powerful pale bill. The males are distinguished from the females as the males have a yellow throat or moustache stripe, while the females have more of a dark reddish brown one. They're found in various forested areas, but most common in hilly and montane areas. Not really a woodpecker that you would find in parks or cities. Generally, they like to forage on trunks and along branches, usually in pairs, sometimes flocks, and obviously sometimes alone. The diet of the Greater Yellownape is mainly ants and termites, insect larvae, particularly that of wood-boring beetles. Sometimes unusual items include centipedes, frogs, and may even take nestlings of other hole-nesting species. As you can see with this one, they're also partial to a bit of fruit now and then. They're certainly enjoying this papaya, which you wouldn't usually associate fruit with woodpeckers. But he likes it. As you can see, this bird here is the female, noticed by the dark reddish brown throat. Well, this one was seen and photographed at another waterhole near Kaeng Krachan National Park. And if you want to see the bird, get in touch with me. I can show you where. But on that note, as we always say, if you want to see the bird, learn the sound. Well, that's it for another little video, this time on the Greater Yellownape woodpecker. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget the usual, like, comment, subscribe, share with your friends and all of that. And I'll see you on the next one. Bye for now.